Number 5 of our 12 days of giveaway. Welcome to my channel. My name is Darla. If you're here for the first time, I hope your day is treating you well. No. And my name is Darla. Welcome. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day and getting all of the stressful holiday things done. What I have here are 2 candles from Bath & Body Works. Some of my favorite candles ever. Am I showing them to you right? One is White Barn, one is Bath & Body Works. The White Barn is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. The other one, the Bath & Body Works, is Frosted Cranberry. One has gold trimmings and one has silver. I thought I'd give you a little bit of variety. They are their 3-wick candles. There is 1. There is 2. I'm so bummed. Oh my gosh. Heaven. I'm in heaven. They smell so good. I think I want to take it back. Or can I put in an order for some candles too, Mr. Camera Guy? No comment. I don't know what that means. Really not much to say. These are great candles. They have hours, yeah, 24 to 25 hours of burn time, crafted with you in mind, satisfaction guaranteed. I want to think everybody's tried a Bath & Body Works candles, but if you haven't, oh my gosh, you'll never go back. I mean, for the price and like the deals, you guys that are Bath & Body Works fans, last week they had a super great deal, $9.95. Just FYI, I did not get that deal. These are $24.95 normally. Oh, I'm sorry, $24.50, sorry. But the deal was $9.95, which I totally missed out on. So I could have gotten myself some for the price of 2. 2 candles, that is our giveaway for number 5. They smell amazing. They burn amazing. This would be perfect in anyone's home. And if a name somehow doesn't come up on our random list, then I'll just have to keep it for myself. I'm gonna get right into the requirements. There are 4 to enter. Number 1, you guys can probably say it. The ones that have been watching already, subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, like this video, please. Comment. What are your favorite kind of candles? Do you love Bath & Body Works? I will admit, for a moment in my life, I sold party light candles, and maybe some of you have heard of them. Maybe some of you haven't, but it is like a home-based business type of thing. And the candles are amazing, amazing. Needless to say, my business folded. I didn't make any money because I bought everything. So yeah, that didn't last very long because my husband was like, thought you were doing this as a side business. And I was doing it as a side business, and I was actually making money, but all that money I was buying candles with. Anyways, comment on what is your favorite candle company. Yeah, favorite candle company. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. So I have, Number 4, follow me on Instagram. So I have your Instagram name in case you win, so I can private message you there. And this is US only. Sorry about that, but right now we are only US. We are posting every day this week. So this is Tuesday. We still have a giveaway on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. We're gonna be selecting all the winners on Saturday. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to enter each one. So a couple of you have asked me questions. You guys can enter every single day as long as you're commenting. That's gonna be the main thing because that's really the only difference. You're already gonna be subscribed. You're already gonna be following me on Instagram. Of course you're gonna like the video. The only difference every day is your comment. And that is the little trick that you need to watch the entire video, because I don't say what you have to comment right away. Make sure you do all those, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.